Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the correct amount of change every time. It's actually pretty simple and doesn't require any complicated math. All you have to do is count up from the total to match the dollar amount that the customer handed you. Let's go over an example. Let's say the customer hands us a $20 bill and their total is $7 for this transaction. All we have to do is count up from this 7 to match the 20 that they gave us. So starting from 7, 8, 9, 10, and then from here we just have to add one more 10 and that will bring us to 20. So their change for this order is going to be $13. Let's see what happens when we add loose change to the equation. For this example, the customer will hand us $15 and their total is $12.89. It's going to be the same principle, but for this we're going to start with the loose change and then we'll worry about the dollar amount second. So from 89 cents, we will grab 1 penny, which will bring us to 90 cents, and then we'll grab 1 dime, which will bring us to 100 cents or $1. So what that really does is it rounds us up to the next nearest dollar, which is $13. So we'll count up from 13 to 15 as their change, 14 and 15. So their change is going to be $2.11. Let's go over another example. We are handed $40 and the total is $34.27. We will once again start with the loose change and then worry about the dollar amount after that. So from 27 cents we will go 28, 29, and this makes 30 cents. We'll go ahead and grab 2 dimes, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, and then we'll grab 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, and that will bring us up to $1. So now we are at $35, and we just have to add one more 5 to make that 40. So this will be the change for this transaction. So as you can see, learning to count up change really isn't that difficult. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to respond. Also, if you wouldn't mind clicking this button for me, it would mean a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.